In this video, I will show you how to track contact from 7 and send data Google Analytics 4. Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Islam. I work as a freelancer. First of all, we can see that that is our website, and just go to the contact from 7. That is a contact from 7 forms. So just check out that. Just go to the inspect options and look at that. That is a WP7 forms. So we can track this. So first of all, we just go to our Google Tag Manager options, and first of all we connect our website and Google Tag Manager or our analytics. So I hope you can do it. First of all, we just go to the tag options and we can use our from tracking. So we track our from, so we can use a listener code. So just just click the pen icons and select the custom HTML and just copy this listener code, this short listener code. So just copy it and paste here, and just write the name of this tag. So custom HTML CFC contact from 7 tag. Okay, and just trigger the all page and just save it. Okay, that simple works is already done, and now we can track our contact from 7. So just click and just preview and see how our listener code is actually work or not. So just publish it, and go to the WordPress. Okay, and just preview it. So give me some time. Okay, just paste here my website URL and just contact, and just go to our website. Our website and our Google Tag Manager is already connected. So just go to the about sections and scroll down and just write my names, Rakiubl Islam, and write my emails and write just web analytics and just simply write hello and just submit it. Okay, and now go to the tag assistant. Look at that, our CFC submission or our listener code is already fire here, and just click the CFC submission from. Look at that, there are some parameters here, my names, my email, subject and message, and that is a from ID. So this everything we can track it, and we send this kind of data Google Analytics 4. So first of all, just go to our tag assistants and click the tags and create a new tags. Okay, just click the pen icons and just select our Google Analytics 4, and there we can send the measurement, and click the admin sections and go to the data stream. Go to the inside there, and there is my measurement ID. So just copy it and paste here, and write our event name. So that's right, contact underscore from underscore 7. Okay, and just we send some parameters here. So we can send 5 or 4 parameters. So just we can send our from ID, my names, email, subject and message. So just first of all, we just write about our from ID. So just copy it and paste here the parameter names, the from ID. Okay, and just click the plus icon and click the plus icons, and just click the pen icons and select the data layer variables and just paste here our from ID. Okay, just paste the from ID and just write our variables names. So just write data layer variable or DLV variables, contact CF7 forms. Just write the from ID. Okay, and just save it. So first of all, our first parameter is already completed, and write their second parameters. So second parameter's name is your name or just name. We just write just name. So just copy and paste here. Okay, and just send our parameters. So just select the data layer variables. So first of all, select the inputs, just paste here, just write the dot and select your name. Okay, so just paste here and just write our variables names. So dlv cf7 dot your names variables and just save it. The next one is the email. Okay, just copy and just click the plus icon, pen icon, and select data layer variables. And just of all, we select the inputs, just paste here, write the dot, and the second option is your name, your email ID. So just write here and just write our variables name. So dlv cfc, just your name. Okay, and our next options is the subject. Okay, just select the subject and just create and just click the plus icons and select the data layer variables. Okay, just select the inputs, write the dot and select the subject, your subject. Okay, just copy it and paste here. Okay, now write our variables name. So dlv contact from 7 dot your name. Okay, and our final one is your message options. Okay, so just select the message, just paste here. Okay, and click the plus icons, pen icons, and select the data variables and just copy the inputs, now write the dot and copy the your matches and paste here. Okay, and write our variables name. So dlv cf7 to your message. Okay, our all parameters is already completed. So now we just trigger it. So just click the plus icons and just select the custom events, and we just go to our data layers and just select the event name. So just copy it and just paste here. Okay, and just write our trigger name. So just write contact from 7. Okay, contact from 7 and just save it. So look at that, our all process is okay. We just send our data Google Analytics 4. So we just select our measurement ID, write our event name, and send data some parameters here, and finally just trigger it. And now we just write our event name. So just write contact from 7, contact from 7 tag. Okay, our total process is okay. Now save it and just preview and see that is actually work or not. So just submit Okay, give me some time, there is loading here. So just the loading is complete, and go to the WordPress and just preview it. Okay, and just look at that, our website, our Google Tag Manager is already connected. Now go to the about sections and just complete this forms. So just and just write hello Rakibul and just save it, and go to the our tag assistant. We can see that our contact form 7 is already here, and our total tag is already fair. Our contact form 7 tag and our listener code is already, and select the contact form 7 and go to the variable section. Look at that, our total variables is already here. So we can see that our contact form 7 from ID, the message, the name, the subject is already here, and that is my email. Okay, the total data is already here, and now we can look at that our analytics form. So there is the data comes or not. So just go to the debug view options and wait for it. Yeah, you can look at that, our contact form 7 is already fair here, and inside there is the from ID here, the message there, hello Rakibul, the name, the Rakiubl Islam, the subject is web analytics, is total the total process is already okay. So that is for today, guys. I hope you can understand how to track your contact form 7 and send data Google Analytics for. Is there any problem, you just contact me, link in the description. Thank you.